welcome back to my channel. It's Kanisha Lachey here. So I am back with another video, y'all. I'm so excited because this one is going to be so much fun. These are magnetic lashes. We are going to be trying these out and seeing how they work. So if there's something you're interested in or want to see how they work, then just keep on watching. Alright, K-Squad, so this one is from Eylure London. It's the ProMagnetic Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. I got the style False Mink Wispies. I got these from Target. They were $14.99. I have been seeing some online for $40 to $100, and I was like, I'm not willing to pay that if, you know, I don't know if I'm going to love it. And I have been seeing like those when like magnetic lashes first came out, when it was like basically two lashes. When you put at the top, then it's going to be a real lash, and then the bottom lash, and I was like, I don't think that it didn't look good. So I was like, whatever. So with this one, the liner is basically the magnet. This says that it's an easy application and it's safe for daily wear, and it's easy and gentle removal. So honestly, for me, I think this should be a breeze. I don't know, we will see. And then the type of liner it is, it's just a regular black liner, and you can get up to 15 wears of this. So I think this might be a winner. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. These are the False Mink Wispies, and it says that you have to do 3 coats of the liner, and then you have to allow each layer to dry. Let's see, let me read the instructions. Apply 3 layers of the magnet lash eyeliner to lash line, waiting for each layer to dry in between. For a lighter look, apply the liner a little thicker than the lash band. For more cat eye, I want mine to look more like on the natural side. I really don't like a lot of liner on my top lash line, so I'm gonna do just a thin line. Lay magnetic lash on top of your natural lash as close as line as possible. And then the removal process, it says remove with an oil-based cleanser or makeup remover wipe. And then to reuse them, it says you can gently remove the liner residue from magnets with the eye makeup remover. And then you'll just store your lashes back into the original packaging. So it did say to shake up the liner, so I'm gonna just shake that up for a little bit. I am going to measure these lashes just to see if I need to trim them a little bit. Yo, I think these gonna look fire. Okay, I'm gonna just trim the tail of the lash. So what I'm gonna do is apply some mascara because I don't want to apply none on the actual lash. Okay guys, so I moved you in a little bit close. I'm going to apply the liner. I did this eye already, only did 1 coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a really thin line on this side. And I want to keep my liner really thin because I really don't like thick liner because I feel like I have smaller eyes. So if I do a thick line, I feel like it's just going to take up too much of my lid space. So I kept it really thin in the inner part of my eye and then went a little thick on the outer part. So this is going into second layer. I'll do the second layer on this side. Okay, I'm gonna allow for this one to dry. I'm gonna let it dry for about 10 seconds. I just feel like since I apply like a little bit, it shouldn't take that long to dry. Alright, so now let's go into our last layer. So this is the 3rd layer. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys this really quick. So this is actually 4 magnets on here, 2 on the outer side and 2 in the middle. Okay, that's our 3rd layer. So now I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. Here's the moment of truth. Let's see if they really work. They work. They work for real. Oh my god. I'm gonna do my other eye. Oh my god. Wow. Whoa, you guys look at. And it's on her too, like. Wow, these look so bomb. Oh my god. Y'all know how easy that was and so fast? Oh my god, these look so good. Shut the F up. Shut the F up. I feel like I need to apply a little bit more right here. Bro, y'all see these? Do you guys see this? Wow. K Squad. Y'all, do y'all see this? Girl, look how, bro, I'm gonna go back to Target and get me some more of these. Oh my god, these look so bomb. Okay, K Squad, you guys, I had to come back to you because these look so good. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, this one, hold on, because this one is like, I'm gonna take it off. It did say, like, if you need to reapply it, you have to take it off and then take off like any residue on the actual lash, but it wasn't none on that lash, so I'm just gonna reapply this liner. Okay, you guys, so my husband, he is gonna put it on. Here, babe. So I already applied the.
See how easy it is?
Babe,
What?
look at.
It ain't alright?
No, it's not even on her.
I'll try, guys.
So when you apply the lash, like, and it's just like for any lash that you use, if you're doing glue, if you're gonna do the magnetic lashes, the best way to put the lash on, get you a handheld mirror or some type of mirror, look down into the mirror so you can see your actual lash line. And then, I mean, with the glue, you have to do like place it in the middle and then like the sides, but with this one, it literally just connect to your lash line. So that's pretty much the way I applied it. I might try to wear them to work tomorrow. I never wear makeup to work, but I just want to test these out to see like really how long they wear, because I work 10 hours, so I want to see how long they usually last on a, you know, a regular day. You guys, my face breaking out right here, but okay, so I'm on my first break. It's been about two and a half hours. So these are what the lashes looking like. They were starting to feel funny like in the inner part of the eye, but they feel okay. They still look good though, y'all. Oh my god, this pimple. But so far so good, they still look good. So I'll check in a little bit later, you guys. You guys, my lashes are still good even in the shower. See? Hey you guys, so I am back. I finished my day up, as you guys can see. I took the lashes off, but I wanted to jump on here to let you guys know that the lashes did last all day long. As you guys can see, when I was in the shower, I washed my face. That's when they came off, actually, when I was washing my face, but I mean, I expected that. So they lasted my whole shift, so it lasted all day. Nothing was coming up. Actually, you know what, it did come up a little bit on the side, but nothing like super noticeable. But other than that, the lashes look good. I asked my parents, I was like, do these look okay? Do they look good? Do it look like something coming up? They was like, no, they look really good. So I'm so happy for that. My only complaint, but that was probably my fault, was I felt like the lashes kind of looked a little like flat or like straight. It didn't look like fluffy and like curled like it first did when I first put them on in the video. So that's the only thing. I would probably suggest maybe doing an eyelash curler or something like that, just to kind of curl the lash back, because when they are in the packaging, they kind of get flat. So other than that, I feel like the lashes look so good. They felt amazing. It felt like, honestly, it felt like a regular lash, because sometimes honestly when I wear like my regular lashes, I do they do kind of start to feel a little like pokey or something like that. So those did do that for me. But other than that, the lashes were amazing. It was a 10 out of 10 for me. I'm telling y'all need to go and buy this, like for real. It's gonna change your life. Like you don't have to sit there and wait for your lashes to dry. I mean, you do gotta wait like 10 seconds, 5-10 seconds for the liner to dry, but it's mess free and it's just fire, you guys. Okay, so all in all, what I like about them is that they really easy to put on. They look so good. Like I'm just like so shocked right now because I wasn't expecting this, honestly, and I just love the way they look. They feel really nice. My only thing I wish I didn't do was put on mascara before. I don't know what I was thinking, but I wish I didn't do that, because when I did that, my lashes were like sticking up, and then I tried to put on the liner and the liner was getting stuck to like the tip of my natural lashes. So when I went to put on the actual falsies, I felt like they were sticking to my actual lashes and not the liner itself. Like, I would definitely recommend these, especially if you want to practice putting on lashes. I would say try the magnetic lashes. Don't try the ones that I was talking about previously, where it's like your real lashes are in between the two magnetic lashes. Get the one with the liner and the lash. It'll be so easy, so quick for you to do, and I feel like if you mess up, it's not gonna be like a huge deal. Sometimes, you know, like when you use glue and you mess up, your lids be like sticky and all of that. So with this, I feel like you can just take it off, make sure your eye is dry, and reapply the liner, and then try doing the lashes. I would definitely recommend these for beginners too. Like if you struggle like putting on lashes and everything, I would definitely say try this out first instead of like doing the glue and everything, because I think you'll like it so much better. So that is all. Let me know what you think of these lashes. Let me know if you try any magnetic lashes. If so, which ones do you like? What's your favorite brand? So share this video if you loved it. Share this video to like some of your girlfriends who need help with lashes, who's scared to try lashes, because girl, I'm telling you right now, if you try this, you probably is not gonna want to go to glue at all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video, like for real, share this video, because I think this is gonna help out a lot of people struggling with their lashes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next upload. Bye, K Squad.